Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. AFAQ New Iqbal Series Student Resource Pack. Keep learning at home. Mathematics Grade Pre-Nursery. Academic Planner Unit-2. Major Concept Long and Short. Resource Pack Concept: circle the short object and cross the long object. Good. The car is short and the train is long. Circle the car and cross the train. Now we move to the next resource pack concept. Color the long object yellow and short object blue. Good. The first fish is long while the second fish is short. Color the first fish yellow and the second fish blue. Now we move to the next resource pack concept. Tick the long objects and cross the short objects in each. The first picture. Good. The first pencil is short while the second pencil is long. Tick the long pencil and cross the short pencil. Now the second picture. Good. The caterpillar is long while the snail is short. Tick the caterpillar and cross the snail. Now we move to the next resource pack concept. Circle the short objects in each. First picture. Good. The key is short while the brush is long. Circle the key. Next picture. Good. The first ruler is long while the second one is short. Circle the second one. Next picture. Good. The paper clip is short while the pipe is long. Circle the paper clip. Now we move to the next resource pack concept. Circle the number 1. Good. Now we move to the next resource pack concept. Count and color one bird. Good. Now we move to the next resource pack concept. Match the number 1 with the boxes having one object. First picture. Good. Cap is 1. It is matched with 1. Next picture. Good. Balloons are 2. It is not matched with the 1. Next picture. Good. Balls are 4. It is not matched with 1. Next picture. Good. Beer is 1. It is matched with 1. Now we move to the next resource pack concept. Trace the number 1. Good. You have done a great job.